Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Rivian R1T vehicle settings using Rivian Camp, full guide step by step clearly. To backup your Rivian R1T vehicle settings, begin by ensuring your vehicle is in park and powered on. Locate the Rivian Camp application on your mobile device. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, go to your device's app store and search for Rivian Camp. Once the app is open, sign in with your Rivian account credentials. Make sure your phone is connected to the vehicle's Wi-Fi network. Navigate to the Settings menu within the Rivian Camp app. Here, look for the option labeled Vehicle Settings or similar. Tap on this option to access your vehicle's current settings. You will see a list of various settings that can be backed up. Select each setting you wish to back up. After making your selections, look for a button that says Backup or Save Settings. Tap this button to initiate the backup process. Wait for the app to confirm that your backup is complete. You may receive a notification indicating the backup was successful. For added security, consider backing up your settings periodically. If you wish to restore your settings later, return to the Settings menu. Look for an option to restore settings. Select the appropriate backup from the list provided. Tap to confirm the restoration of your settings. Allow the system to complete the restoration process. Once done, you'll receive a notification confirming the restoration. Your Rivian R1T settings are now safely backed up and restorable at any time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.